Ontario now has more measles cases than the United States. There are 2 confirmed cases here in Ottawa, and concerns over the contagious virus is prompting many to get their vaccines, but some are having to wait a while to get the shot. Let's bring in CTV's Josh Marano live in studio with more on this. Josh?
Yeah, Katie, I spoke with some concerned parents today who say they had to wait weeks, even months before getting their children vaccinated. One parent told me her kids have their first dose, but have to wait until they're older to get the second one, and she's nervous to bring them into public settings. For Hannah Raful, getting her 3 sons vaccinated against measles was more difficult than she expected.
We struggled a lot to get our vaccinations on time. Family doctors, even though we do have a family doctor, it took us a couple of weeks before, just because there was no availability.
But her children still only have 1 of 2 doses because of their age, so she's taking precautions.
We have hand sanitizer in the stroller. We're always cleaning our hands and keeping a good hand hygiene just to prevent anything from the kids getting anything. You still have that concern in the back of your mind as a mom.
Families across the province are experiencing longer wait times to get their vaccines, for some weeks or even months.
Family medicine and public health are always being asked to do the impossible with the resources that they have.
So far, only 2 cases have been confirmed in Ottawa, but healthcare officials are still urging the public to stay alert of any symptoms.
The easiest and safest thing to do is just get the vaccine. And that's pretty much the public health message across the country.
Ottawa Public Health says it has an adequate supply of measles vaccines. Children should receive their first dose at 1 year of age and a second dose at 4 to 6 years old.
The vaccine, after 2 doses, it offers close to 100% protection against the virus. And I think the people we really need to think of are those individuals who have contraindications against vaccine.
For those struggling to get an appointment with a family doctor, there are other options. You can book an appointment with one of the many Kids Come First vaccination clinics.
I definitely recommend vaccination. I think there's a reason why, it's there. All my kids are vaccinated, thankfully, and I'm very grateful for the opportunity.
Ontario's top doctor is urging everyone to get vaccinated, saying nearly all cases in the province are among people who are unvaccinated. Katie.
CTV's Josh Marano reporting live for us tonight. Thank you, Josh. And we do have extended coverage of the push to get vaccinated against the measles and where you can get the shot here in Ottawa. You can find that information on our website, ctvnewsottawa.ca.